goes directly straight for this tree, in between those shits, I think he'll be fine. Fucking spot boxing. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Driver!
Bring your tire right alongside this rock here. Got to come up on the rock on the other side.
Open front problems. Come back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. Back up. Back up, turn passenger. Keep coming, turn hard passenger. Keep coming. Stop. Turn driver and drive up over top of that rock on the driver's side. Come passenger a little bit. Keep going, straight. There you go. Easy.